Granny flat. Funny name, but a serious property interest. Hi, my name is Kerri Thomas and I'm a solicitor here at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers. If you have an ageing parent or family member who is struggling to live on their own but not ready to go into residential aged care, a common solution is for the family member to move in with one of their adult children in return for safety and assistance with day-to-day care. The ageing parent may sell their own home and make a significant financial contribution to any renovations or building of a separate granny flat at their child's property, adding substantial value to the property as a whole. It is common for families to only have a general discussion about these financial contributions towards the cost of the accommodation improvements and any ongoing payments towards maintenance. The ageing parent will often feel grateful for being taken in and want to help their adult child out financially. They might feel uncomfortable wanting to substantiate any arrangements in writing. This is important though, as a granny flat interest may impact on their aged care entitlement and access to immediate funds for future residential aged care. A granny flat interest can establish serious property rights, including a right to that accommodation for life and a legal or equitable interest in an overall property. If expectations and the legal aspect of property rights are not agreed and documented from the beginning, this can cause a great deal of anguish for all parties and may end in financial hardship or a serious legal dispute down the track. It can also create issues between the children if one feels the other is receiving more money from the ageing parent or if they care for them. Circumstances can change, and common scenarios can be the relationship between the family member and the adult child deteriorates, the adult child's marriage or de facto relationship breaks down, and the property needs to be sold as part of the property settlement. The property owners fall into financial hardship and the property needs to be sold. The elderly parent's care needs change and they need to provide a significant deposit to secure residential care. How will they be compensated for the granny flat investment? How do the family members and property owners protect their individual interests in the property when circumstances change or the property must be sold? By documenting granny flat arrangements in writing, including how termination can occur, will save a great deal of stress and legal cost if circumstances change. Finally, you should also consider that assets or money given to an adult child exchanged for a granny flat interest may no longer form part of the parent's estate when they pass, having a legal effect on distribution of the estate and individual inheritances. At Clark Hemmerling Lawyers, we can provide advice on granny flat arrangements, assist you with a formal agreement and explain how this may impact your succession planning.